Yeah, still the 20th of March, first day of spring. After looking around, this is the remnant of an aluminum sign that was posted on the fence when I bought the building, and the seller did not remove their signage. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like at least 4 more. They're heavy gauge aluminum, probably 80 thousandths. Yeah, there's just 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta look at that sign. I think that's an arrow sign over there. Actually, I think I got 3 arrow signs and 2 of those bigger signs. I have to look, who knows. But anyway, they're playing baseball across the street. Anyway, the sign I used, I'll recover what's left on the fence because I have a use. So, with my new to me Powermatic bandsaw, I went and cut me out a flat piece of the size I wanted, and using the scrap 2x4s that only God knows why I keep them, made me a table for my coffee pot. The screws are not countersunk, don't care. It's good enough. Use 4 2x4s screwed into the table for the base, and 2 of my big L brackets with some more holes drilled in them to support it on the wall. I could have shaved off another 3.5 inches and used that dimension, but hey, better too big than too small. I give it a 6 out of 10. It's butt ugly, but it's definitely manly, and it will do what I need it to do. Had another small extension cord. All I need is a 3-footer. The smallest one I had was a 10-footer. So I got my grinders and my coffee pot plugged into that outlet. That's okay. But yeah, now my coffee pot has a permanent home, and I can reclaim my work table that I was using for my coffee pot. This is one I like to have by the lathe to hold all my cutters and such. Comes in handy. That's actually where it's supposed to be, right there. Then this remnant material, I can still cut some more out of this. Don't know what. It's too big to throw away. On my sheet material, I got a spot outside, and I just cleaned this floor real good. Now I gotta clean it again. Yeah, I got a spot outside here by the shipping container for all of my thin gauge sheet material. I like that material better for that tabletop than this super thin stuff. And on that thin material, that bandsaw is the bomb. Cut like right through it, like it wasn't even there. So put my lawnmower back. I relocated the engine jack and vacuum cleaner over to that spot. I'll probably move it another half dozen times before I get satisfied. So yeah, now I have a place for my coffee pot. So a pretty good deal. That's all for this one. Thank you. Oh, cost free. The brackets, I think they're $4 a piece. I used 2 of them. The rest of it was either scrap lumber or that scrap sign. A few screws. They're about 3 cents a piece when you buy them in volume, so pretty damn reasonable. That's all for this one. Thank you.